Structure of lipid. Structure of lipids. Properties of lipids caused by saturated versus unsaturated fatty acids. Each lipid contains polar head and non-polar tail regions. They are called hydrophilic and hydrophobic regions. Mainly, the lipids are contains two major parts. They are hydrophilic head, hydrophobic tail. Hydrophobic tail. Hydrophilic head is also called polar head. Hydrophobic tail is also called non-polar part of lipid. Non-polar part of lipid. Hydrophilic head is in spheroidal structure. It is the spheroidal part of lipid called head, or also called polar part of lipid. It towards cytoplasm called hydrophilic head, means the polar head towards attractive of liquids towards it present towards cytoplasm called hydrophilic head, and hydrophobic tail. From the spheroidal head, two chain or thread-like structures are developed called tails. These are present opposite of cytoplasm. So these tails are called hydrophobic tails. They are phobia to cytoplasm called hydrophobic tail. In plasma layer, lipid molecules are arranged in two layers. These are arranged in opposite manner. These are arranged in opposite manner. It means hydrophilic head towards cytoplasm, hydrophobic tail present at center region of plasma membrane. Center region of plasma membrane. Now let's we discuss about types of lipids. Mainly two types of lipids are present. They are, first one is saturated fatty acids or saturated lipids. Second one is unsaturated fatty acids or unsaturated lipids. Saturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids contains more number of carbon atoms. Between each carbon atom, only single hydrogen bond is present. Only single bond is present, not hydrogen bond. Single bond is present. More number of carbons are arranged in a chain-like structure. Between two carbons, only single bond is present. At one end of saturated fatty acids, CH3 group. CH3 group is present at end of the one fatty acid. Saturated fatty acids are one end. Here it is one end containing CH3 group, another end containing COOH, carboxylic group. Carboxylic group. This type of fatty acids are called saturated fatty acids or saturated lipids. Example, stearic acid. Here it is stearic acid structure. And the next one is unsaturated fatty acids. In unsaturated fatty acids, between two carbons, two double bonds are present in some zones. Here it is between two carbons, two bonds are present. If based on these double bonds, that unsaturated fatty acids are classified into monoic unsaturated, dionic unsaturated, polinic unsaturated fatty acids. Monoic unsaturated fatty acids means the fatty acids contains long chain of carbons. In only one place between two carbon atoms, two bonds are present. From this monoic unsaturated fatty acids, at one end CH3 group is present, at another end COOH carboxylic group is present. And dionic unsaturated fatty acids. In dionic unsaturated fatty acids, in long chain of carbons, in two places between two carbons, two bonds are present. Two places between two carbons, two bonds are present, called dionic unsaturated fatty acids. And polyenic unsaturated fatty acids. Polyenic unsaturated fatty acids means the fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids made by more number of carbon compounds. Between more carbons, two bonds are present. Two bonds are present, called polyenic unsaturated fatty acids. Polyenic unsaturated fatty acids. Now let's be discussed about the biological functions of lipids. As on energy source, lipids provide 9 kilocalories of energy per gram. Triglycerides or triglycerides provide energy storage in adipocytes. And phosphoglycerides, sphingolipids, and steroids are structural compounds of the cell membrane. Steroid hormones are critical intercellular messengers. Lipid-soluble vitamins A, E, D, K. Dietary fat acts as a carrier of lipid-soluble vitamins into cell of small intestine. Provide shock absorption and insulation. In plants mainly, the saturated or unsaturated fatty acids mainly helps in the large metabolic activities. They are lipids play major role in the plants. They are storage and transport of biological fuel. The wax layer on the surface of living cells, of leaves, stems, fruits, and they are function in protecting of sheath, and they are also helps in protecting of transpiration, avoid of transpiration. Certain lipids act as hormones, vitamins. Lipids play important role in electron transport system in mitochondria as well as in chloroplast. And also lipids helps in identification of plant species by cell wall chemicals. These are the functions of lipids in plants and animals.